One of the mottos that I always lived by, it was given to me by one of my professors early on, and he basically said that if you listen to the patient, they will tell you what's wrong. And so I always try to follow that guideline and listen to the patient, so ultimately we can get to the resolution or bottom of their problem and come up with a good, successful result. So that's what I really try and use keep in my mindset every day as I go into the room to see patients. I grew up in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. I was actually born in Cleveland, Ohio, but all my school was done in the D.C. metropolitan area. I graduated from high school in Rockville, Maryland, home of McGruff, the crime dog, if you don't know who that is. After leaving Maryland, I headed out to Colorado to the U.S. Air Force Academy. Graduated from there, and I served in the Air Force for several years before leaving the Air Force and ultimately going to medical school at the University of Michigan. After finishing up medical school, I then started my residency at the University of Cincinnati, Ohio, where I completed that, and subsequently went on to pursue a fellowship in adult and pediatric spinal issues at the Leatherman Spine Center in Louisville, Kentucky. My specialty is spinal issues, so we treat areas from the base of the skull all the way to the pelvis, cervical, thoracic, and lumbar. Will include things such as herniated disc replacement, scoliosis, and various types of spinal deformity. My favorite thing about treating patients is seeing the results of their labor and my labor with regards to getting them back up on their feet and get them going, resuming activities that they really want to continue with and continue to make them healthy. It's nice just to see, somebody had a broken bone, that they've been able to resolve that and heal it. My family includes my wife and son, and also my mother. So it's the four of us. We've been in the area since '95. My hobbies include biking, working out, weight training, racquetball. I really like cycling, and I don't get to do enough of that, but I do like to go biking. Additional hobbies would be attending sporting events, concerts, things of that nature.